Hi Stitches! Today I'm going to show you how I make my clothing tags. Now, these are tags that I use for my mother-in-law who's in an aged care home on her clothing so that they know it's hers versus somebody else's. I don't want to use a basic fabric marking pen because I think they go away too quickly. I don't want to use something that's iron-on because I think it can be easily washed off, particularly in an industrial washing point of view. So what I've got is this 1 inch wide cotton tape. Now you can see here I've got the screen on my machine and I'm going to come into my alphabet and I want to use my 9mm alphabet just because I've got the room for it, so why not? And then we're going to select the name that we want to put on here. So think those expensive parts of school uniforms. And you've got the spaces, so you can have a small, medium, or large space between your letters. And thankfully, my mother-in-law's name is small, so I get away with a little bit more. Once we've got the letters in there and we're happy with it, I'm then going to move over to my machine. And now I've got green thread in here because it makes it visible. I'm lining up the center of my foot with the center of that tape, and I'm leaving about 1 inch, giving me enough room um, to come underneath there. Now, what I've discovered in doing this is that you just want to let the machine go at almost its own pace. So I'm not going at a huge speed. I'm just doing something that's kind of average to slow. Now, I'm very pleased at the moment that I married somebody with a short name. So that is my finished tag. And what you'll see there is, now the J does have a little bit of an extra loop on it, just because I didn't hold that close. So I'm just going to trim that off. And then that is ready to sew onto my clothes. Now, I think there is a massive difference in doing it quickly or slowly, and I want to show you that. Here's one going full pelt. And you can see there is a lot more sucking in on the fabrics and everything. So I really do think it is worth going slow and steady. But all I'm going to do now is come through and I probably leave about 1/2 inch on either side. And then I'm going to tuck that under and I'm going to hand stitch that to my item of clothing. And when I say hand stitch, I mean I stitch all the way around, generally on the label. Let me grab you a copy of one that I have done. So here is my finished stitched on tag. So you can see that I've actually placed it right on top of the label of where the clothing is coming from. Um, and I've secured that all the way around. And I do that so that it's not going to come off in the wash or anything like that. It's also not going to annoy her any more than the regular tag because it's right on top of that regular tag. Um, so I think this is a great technique. I know we're getting ready for school going back. Lots of you will be looking to make sure that the kids do not lose their clothes. This is a fantastic way of. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tutorial. Until next time, have a stitching day. Bye.